in that proud port which her so goodly graceth, whiles her fair face she rears up to the sky, and to the ground her eyelids low embaseth. Most goodly temperature ye may descry. Myld humblesse mixt with awfull majesty, for looking on the earth whence she was borne. Her mind remembreth her mortality, whatso is fairest shall to earth return. But that same lofty countenance seems to scorn base things, and think how she to heaven may climb, treading down earth as lothsome and forlorne, that hinders heavenly thoughts with drossy slime. Yet lowly still vouchsafe to look on me, such lowliness shall make you lofty be.